how to fix following other too frequently, try again later problem on your TikTok. So if you want to fix following others too quickly or too frequently, try again later problem, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok. Now, after opening your TikTok, make sure that you have logged into your account, enter your credentials, and then log in. After logging in, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now you need to go with settings and privacy, which will be again on the last, and then you need to scroll down a bit and go with help center. Now once you're on your help center, you need to scroll down again, and then you need to go and select an option of report a problem. Tap on report a problem, and then you may have an option of following too fast. You need to tap on it or go with see more help, which will be in the bottom, and you'll get this kind of interface. And you just need to simply go and select an option, which is following too frequently, or you can also type in the message and TikTok support will help you. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.